Hi, my name is Paris Iliffe. I'm at the Pioneer Club for my emerging headliner session powered by JBL. So the last couple of months, I've just been settling into life in London. I just moved over from Australia to study music at uni. I'm studying songwriting and vocals, so I've been settling into school, doing a lot of songwriting, and just started getting into performing again. I love the venue, and I think it's great for emerging artists to really get themselves out there and shown. And it's hard because the music industry isn't a straight path, and it's nice to have something to start you off. I feel like my career hasn't really popped off yet, and this just makes me feel like professional. I loved my vocals on the mic. I think this is my first time working with this equipment, and I loved it immediately. It sounded really smooth, and it made me sound even better than I thought I did, which was a plus. Yeah. The JBL system was great. I love the sound. It was all really clear, and I could hear exactly what I was playing, and it really helped me get through my performance. I definitely recommend it to anyone who's looking to use it.
Move to a place unknown. Feels like I've lost and gained a home. And although it's alright, I stayed up all night, 'cause I can't bear to hear the silence. This room's a desert island, surrounded by the unknown, feeling I got no control. Never gonna feel the way I felt with you. It's never gonna be the same now we're through. No, I'm never gonna feel the same. Now we're through, now we're through. Now that I've turned off my phone, I'm feeling more alone. It used to just be me hearing you breathe, put me to sleep. Oh, there is a silence, can't do anything to hide it. Never gonna feel the way I felt with you. It's never gonna be the same now we're through. No, I'm never gonna feel the same. Now we're through, now we're through. Feels like a chance to do what I wanna do. I was relying on the feelings that I felt when I was with you, with you, with you. Never gonna feel the way I felt with you. It's never gonna be the same now we're through. No, I'm never gonna feel the same now we're